see. Aww. Ooh, look at all that for you. Look at that. Wow. Oh, look at that for Thomas. Alright, he goes to the Thomas first. You want to see? Here. Look at the Thomases go around. See? Choo-choo. You make them go around? Good job.
Is that the wash station? That's the wash station.
Yep. His little laugh. Oh, look at that big Thomas. That's a big old Thomas.
And you
Can we
can
help
unfold
you?
it and make it into a...
Not this
Oh,
Thomas.
no, not that one.
You like this, Thomas? Yeah, I knew that'd be his favorite. Cute. Okay, the rest of us can be down to business. Stickers? You want a sticker? Let's see if we can open it. Okay, we'll go with this one. Look at that. Thomas movies. More movies. And books. He raises everything. Look at this, more books. Hop on Pop and the Foot Book. You check it out. What do you think? Okay, now I want you to reach in. Can you reach in here? Trace, he wants to see his movie. Want me to open that for you? Here, reach in. Look in here. Look, what's in there? Look at it. Hello.
Oh, good job.
What's in there? Pull it out. Can you get it?
Hello.
Pull.
Telephone is ringing.
Who's that?
Oh.
It's a Diesel. It's Diesel.
Cool, man.
Hey, one more. Look inside. Can you get it? Who's that? Is that Toby? That's Toby.
Cute.
Yay.
Say thanks, Clammy.